This is Alf Jacobson. Alf, when did you start boat building? What age?
On and off, even up to. I actually started in 1946.
Yep.
But I worked with my old dad repairing boats prior to that.
Brilliant.
Yeah, and we just carried on, and then I had a slipway over at Marks Point with Doug Blakemore.
Okay.
And one of the boys, what was his name? Alan Humphreys.
Yep.
At Marks Point, but it was all work and no play.
Bugger.
I got a bit tired of working 20 hours a day sort of thing, you know.
That sounds fair.
And the phone going in the middle of the bloody night.
Oh, bugger.
So we give that away, I give that away, and we just played around doing boats myself.
Yeah.
And
so in amongst all this, I believe you became hypersensitive to old technology epoxies, is that right?
I really did. I only had to smell it.
Yep.
And that was it. I was blind for a fortnight.
Gee.
Yeah, I just looked like I'd been out in the desert with no hat for a fortnight.
Yeah.
And anyway, I got onto that, and I think I struck you, Dave, at one of the boat shows, and I was talking to you, and you said try this. Well, actually, I used Pure Bond.
Pure Bond, yeah.
And I built 6 10-foot skiffs with Pure Bond. Never had a failure.
Yep.
The secret is how you use the water with it.
Yep.
And cramp it and make your joins properly, and it won't let go. We've even done masts with it.
Brilliant.
And it's been very good. And then I got onto your brand, the Epoxy, the 2-pot one.
The epoxy glue.
Yeah. And within a fortnight, I had no problems, and I've been using it ever since.
Yeah. Even though you're absolutely hypersensitive to the old technology.
Old technology, just the smell, and I'm history. Yeah.
That's brilliant.
It's been very good.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
And you tell me you don't even wear gloves when you use it.
It gets on your bloody tools, mate. If you get gloves and you get it on the gloves, then you get it all over everything else.
Yeah, but then you can't pick your nose off.
Oh, I don't know, I got the bent finger.
Good stuff. Well done.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy playing with the e-glue, mate.
Well, if anybody up this way wants to know how to use it, if they call around at the shed at Rathmines, I'll show them how to use the Pure Bond.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well done. Thanks, mate.
No trouble.